Samsung has been leading the way in foldable phone technology, hoping to increase the accessibility of these cutting-edge gadgets for a wider range of users. There have been recent reports that the tech giant is developing a foldable phone in the mid-range that is expected to be released in 2024. Though it sounds encouraging that foldable phone technology may become more widely available, market research firm TrendForce questions whether Samsung will be able to produce a foldable phone that costs between $400 and $500. Considering Samsung's current pricing approach, the $400 to $500 price tag for a mid-range foldable phone is a cause for concern. A mid-level folding phone would have a difficult time coming in under the suggested $500 price range for a foldable gadget. It would probably have to make concessions in a number of areas, including build quality, camera capability, and internal hardware. This handset may fit more into the low-end market segment than the intended mid-range category, according to Samsung's current Galaxy lineup. A budget-friendly Galaxy foldable device, it may seem counterintuitive at first, but it suggests significant concessions that must be made in order to lower the cost of foldable technology. In comparison to Samsung's higher-end models, the mid-level foldable phone might have to compromise on performance overall, processor power, and camera capabilities in order to stay within the intended price range. It's possible that the build quality will suffer as well, making the gadget feel less high-end but still managing to keep the user experience satisfying and still reasonably priced. The market's readiness to accept a compromised gadget will determine whether or not a mid-range foldable phone is successful. Some customers might be put off by the possibility of performance and feature trade-offs, while others would be drawn in by the novelty of a folding display. To ensure the device's viability, Samsung must carefully navigate these market dynamics. Alternatively, Samsung could employ a loss leader strategy, offering the mid-range foldable phone for sale at a loss with the hope of making up the difference through ancillary services or additional device iterations. Despite the danger, businesses looking to gain traction in emerging regions have used this tactic. Samsung's speculated mid-range foldable phone could help make foldable technology more widely available, but its success will depend on how well it strikes a balance between cost and customer satisfaction. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.